Hello kids! Welcome to a new video on diversity. Before we jump into today's topic, let's talk about what diversity means. Diversity is a cool word that describes how living things can be so different from each other. But when you have lots of different objects or living things, wouldn't it be easier to classify them? Classification is when you put similar objects or living things in groups. For example, we group things in our homes. Plates go in the kitchen, bed sheets in the bedroom, and the TV is in the living room. Grouping makes things easier to find and use, right? In the same way, we can classify living things into different groups based on specific features they have. These features are called characteristics. Characteristics are what make groups different from each other. If living things share the same features, they are called similarities. But if they have different features, we call those differences. Now let's explore how classification works with a fun game. Here I have 4 groups to classify living things into. Mammals or birds. We classify them based on what covers their skin. Birds have feathers while mammals have hair or fur. Insects have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and a pair of feelers. Plants. If my living things doesn't fit into the other groups and is mostly green, it's likely a plant. Let's start classifying. Humans are classified as mammals. What about the owl? It's a bird. Horses are also mammals. Ostriches are birds. What about penguins? It's also a bird. This is a plant. An insect. A mammal. Also a mammal. An insect. A bird. Another plant. An insect. A plant. An insect. And finally, a plant. Try classifying everything you see into different groups. Scientists classify objects and living things to make them easier to study and understand. That's it for today from Science Nuggets. See you in another science video.